guys, this is so magic! Yeah, I love it!
Regards from Paris!
Yay!
Paris, the capital of France, is one of the world's dreamiest destinations and one of the most important cities in the world. It is also the second most visited city in Europe after London. Some of the most memorable things to visit in Paris are Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the most picturesque neighborhoods Montmartre. From its stunning monuments and history-rich streets to its exceptional cuisine and museum culture, Paris is best visited in the month of August.
Good morning guys from sleepy Paris. Our hotel is facing Champs-Élysées, so that's the best way that we start our tour with one of the most famous streets in Paris.
Champs-Élysées is one of the most famous streets in the world and stretches from the Arc de Triomphe to the Louvre Museum. It has renowned restaurants, luxury boutiques, and museums.
This is not our first time that we're visiting Paris. We're staying 5 days, and that's enough time to see the most important things here.
Arc de Triomphe stands in the center of the place Charles de Gaulle and is one of the most famous landmarks in Paris. Arch is dedicated to the glory of imperial armies. Built in the 19th century, it is the largest monument of its kind in the world. Like Rome, Paris has his own Pantheon. Located in the Latin Quarter, this building was originally built as a church, but was turned into a state burial site for France's heroes, including Marie Curie, Victor Hugo, and Voltaire.
The most important things to visit in Paris are located near both sides of the Seine River.
Now we are going to enter one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower is the symbol of Paris, and it's probably one of the first sights you should see in the city. Built for the 1998 World Fair, this Iron Tower stands at 324 meters tall and is one of the most visited monuments in the world, with nearly 7 million visitors per year. An interesting fact is that this colossal landmark was initially hated by many Parisians.
Before you enter Eiffel Tour, you have this small garden, and the garden is free for all visitors. This is first stage of Eiffel Tower. Now we are climbing from the first stage to second stage. That was the second stage of Eiffel Tower. Now we are going to the top.
avec les doigts et jouer avec. Regarde le bonhomme.
Many think that Paris is the city of light because of the Eiffel Tower's lights. But in this case, lights represent the intellectual, which refers to the high concentration of writers, actors, artists, and academics in the city.
Guys, that's everything for today. See you in the morning. We wanted to show you one more Paris landmark, Notre Dame Cathedral, but due to fire from last year, it's closed for visitors and is under construction. If you can't visit Notre Dame, there are plenty of other churches in Paris, like Saint-Sulpice behind me. After Saint-Sulpice, you can visit Saint-Germain. Paris has a very good subway system, and that's the best way to explore the city.
Just a tip, the metro doesn't operate 24 hours a day.
We're at Montmartre Hill, where's the square of Tertre, where the artists such as Van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, and Monet used to work.
The neighborhood of Montmartre offers a stunning view of Paris, arty cafes, bars, and cobblestone streets. Montmartre is a hill located in north of Paris, and it is best known for the white-domed Basilica of the Sacred Heart, at the highest point in the city. This beautiful Roman Catholic basilica is built in the 19th century by the French government following the Franco-Prussian War.
started this video with Champs-Élysées and we are finishing here. Guys, thank you for watching and see you at our next destination. Bye from Paris!